Okay, now all that we have just done with our Microsoft Word can be achieved on our Google Doc. Now we'll be going back to Google Doc. Okay, so here we can type. We can type here. You can see and type, and also format too. So you can see we have almost the same interface as the Word document. We have the file, um, we have the edit, we have the view, we have the inserts, we have formats, we have tools, we have extensions, and help, just in case you need help, but I don't think you would need that. So under file you can see the various options, which is new, open, yeah, just in case you want to open another document, and then make a copy, share, just in case you are sharing to someone, or here we have email this file, you can email to someone, and then we have download. Remember, on Microsoft Word we have save, but on Doc we have download. So once you're done with editing your document, all you need to do is come to download and either download as Microsoft Word, open document format, rich text format, PDF, plain text, web page, or whichever one you want. Okay, now you can come here, even after saving, you can come here to rename your document. Here is rename. Okay, so you can see that both Microsoft Word and Google Doc are the same, are almost the same, but then they use their different terms. So here on Microsoft Word we have save, while here we have rename. Inserts, we have drawings, we have tables, right? So you can come here to actually add a table to your documents. Okay, and then we have formatting. You can format your text. Remember, on everything we have on home, and our home on Microsoft Word is here, so you can come here to bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, subscript, size, change fonts, capitalize. So you can see everything is here, just that it's they have their separate spaces. So another thing you need to know is how to add hyperlink to your text. So highlighting this text, you can come here to add a hyperlink. That is to say, if someone should open your document and click on this particular word, it will be taking them to your whichever hyperlink that was inserted on that particular text.